today we're going to draw Jack Skellington.
Yeah, popping out of a pumpkin. And here's a quick preview of what our drawings look like at the very end. But we don't want to show our friends the inside. That's a surprise.
Yeah.
Although they've seen the thumbnail. For this lesson, we're using our drawing paper. This is actually marker paper because we're using markers to draw in color with.
But you can use whatever you have.
Yeah, all right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first fold our paper. We'll take the top edge, line it up with the bottom edge, and fold it down. And if you already know how to do this part, you could always skip forward too, especially if you can do it faster than us. Then we're going to take the top flap and line it up with the top edge and crease that one down. Then we're going to flip our paper over and repeat. We can take that top edge or the top flap, line it up with the top edge, and then fold it down. Nice job.
Thanks.
Then this last fold is just a guide fold, so we can unfold it and then flatten it out. And then we're going to flip our paper back over, and it should open up like this when we're all done. Then we have our scratch paper we can put underneath our drawing paper because we're using markers. You ready to draw our pumpkin or jack-o'-lantern? Mm-hmm. Let's first draw the shape of our jack-o'-lantern. I'm going to draw kind of a wide curve. This is just for the top part of our jack-o'-lantern. The Pumpkin King. He's going to pop out of it. Yes, and then we're going to match up on the side and draw the bottom of our jack-o'-lantern over to the other side. Then let's draw the stem. We're going to draw it curving up and to the right. And then we can draw the other side of the stem. I'm going to draw it shorter, and then we can draw it connecting for the top. Okay, now let's draw the eyes and the nose and the mouth. We're going to draw that short line here for the nose. Then we can draw a letter V. Then let's draw spooky eyes. We're going to draw it curving up, but we want to make sure it's below the fold and on the other side. Then let's draw the eyes, the bottom of the eyes curving down, and then we can connect them up to the top. Yes, okay, now for the mouth, let's draw a really spooky one with lots of teeth. We can first draw a letter V, and then we're going to draw more letter V's on the side. And we could keep going all the way over for the mouth to the corner of the mouth and curve up so that it's smiling. And then down here, let's draw, I'm going to draw an M first. And then we could just draw lots of zigzags curving over and connecting to the side. Oh, that's really spooky. I like yours. Yours is awesome. Okay, now let's open up our drawing and we can flatten it out. So we have the top of the pumpkin up here and the bottom down at the bottom. Yeah. Okay, now let's extend the top of the pumpkin down and the bottom of the pumpkin up. We're going to draw a jack exploding out of the pumpkin. So let's draw a zigzag line to connect the top. And we want to make sure that the zigzags are below the fold. That way when we fold it back up, it's hidden. Okay, now down here. Oh, I like how you changed all the zigzags. That looks really cool.
Thank you.
Okay, now we can do the same thing down here. I'm going to try to match yours and make them really different. So we got some that are small and some big. Yeah, that looks awesome. Okay, now we're ready to draw Jack inside. Let's first draw his head. I'm going to draw it pretty big. I'm going to draw a big circle for his skull. And then we can draw his nostrils. We're going to draw two little raindrop shapes in the middle. And then we can draw his big eyes. I'm going to draw one circle here and another circle over here. Then for his mouth, let's draw it open a little. We can first draw, making him look sad. We're going to draw a curve going down. But then let's turn it into a smile. We're going to curve up and to the side. Then for his or the bottom part of his mouth, we'll just draw it really big and open. Yes. Okay, now for his teeth, we can draw these lines going all the way over to the other side. I'm probably drawing too many, but this is for his teeth. And then we can also draw them on the bottom too. Now let's draw his neck. We'll draw 2 lines coming down from his chin. He has a really long neck. And then we need to draw his bow tie. So first, let's draw a line across the bottom of his neck. And we could draw it coming down on the sides. It's like a little bat shape. And we're going to draw a letter V. And then the ears, we'll draw 2 upside down V's on each side. And then we're going to draw the big wings coming out. I feel like these are wings. They come out to the side. And then also on the bottom coming out. Then we're going to draw a big sideways W. We'll come in, out, in, and then connect. And then the same thing over here. In, out, back in, and connect. Yeah, okay, now for his body, we're going to draw it coming into or out of the pumpkin. So first we'll draw his chest lines coming down from the bat. And then we'll draw, right here, we'll draw a short line down for his shoulders on each side. Oh, actually, this could be the collar. We'll draw a sideways letter V for the collar first. And then draw the diagonal lines coming into the pumpkin.
He's looking so cute.
Yeah, we still need to draw his arms. And we could draw them really long. So first, let's draw another diagonal line coming out on the side. And then his body coming back into the pumpkin. Okay, now for his arms, we're going to go crazy. We're going to draw them coming way out to the side. Oh, and I'm going to match over here too. And then we can draw them bending up and up over here too. Then let's draw the other side of his arm coming out, and we're going to draw really skinny arms. And the same on this side to match. Then let's connect his sleeve at the end. And now we need to draw his hands. So really simple, we'll draw a rectangle coming out first. And I'm just going to repeat on both sides. So yeah. Then we're going to draw his thumb first. We'll draw it coming out and then up. I'm going to draw it kind of different on this side. And then we'll curve for the end of his thumb and then back in. Now for his first finger, we're going to draw it curving this way. Looks like he's getting ready to take his head off.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like in the movie, he pops his head off because he's dead. Then we're going to draw the first finger. We're going to draw it curving around and then back. And we can go really close to where we started. Then we're going to draw 2 more fingers on each hand. So he has 3 fingers and a thumb. And then this last one, it just comes in and connects. And then we'll do the same over here too. And just make sure you stay below the fold. There you go. One. And then one more. You could do it. Yes. Now they just look like regular hands. We need to turn them into skeleton hands. So first we're going to draw 3 lines on the thumb. So we'll draw one down here at the bottom. Then you can draw one where it bends and then one here. And we can do that same thing over here. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing for each finger. 3 lines. So one at the bottom and then 2 more on the finger. One here at the bottom and then 2 on the finger. And just repeat until you get all the way up to the last finger. Yeah, good job. Now we can do this hand. We can go a little faster since we're just repeating the same steps. We did it! We finished drawing Jack Skellington, except we still need to
color him.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. Also, we need to add white stripes to his suit to really make him look like Jack Skellington. And also color in his eyes and mouth. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring our drawings and they turned out awesome. We even added these little bats and we got to show our friends the inside.
Yeah.
Okay, count of 3. 1, 2, 3, boo!
Boo!
Yours turned out so awesome. I love your little Jack Skellington and the extra bats on the inside.
Yeah, our art friends could add other things.
Oh yeah, you could add candy. Oh, maybe a Santa hat on top of Jack.
Yeah, and Oogie Boogie.
Oh yeah, in the background. That would be really cool.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Jack with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you take extra time to add more things to your drawing. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.